In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an internship on LinkedIn. Whether you're hoping to showcase your newly acquired skills or let recruiters know about your latest role, adding an internship to your LinkedIn profile is a great way to highlight this significant experience. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to LinkedIn's website. If you're already familiar with LinkedIn's layout, this should be a breeze. For those who are new or need a refresher, simply open up your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com on the address bar. Once you've got the site loaded, you'll be greeted with the familiar LinkedIn homepage. Next, it's time to sign in. Click on the Sign In button prominently displayed on the homepage. Go ahead and enter your login credentials. If you've forgotten your username or password, LinkedIn conveniently provides links to help retrieve or reset them. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage, which is your personal dashboard. Now, from the homepage, navigate to your profile. This is where you have the opportunity to impress potential employers and colleagues with your work history and achievements. Look for your profile picture or icon on the top menu and give it a click. When you're on your profile page, the next thing to do is locate and click on View Profile. This action will direct you to your profile's public view. It's just how others would see you on LinkedIn, so it's a great place to make updates. After you've landed on your profile view, scroll down until you see the Experience section. This is where LinkedIn allows you to list all your work experiences, from full-time jobs to part-time gigs and internships. Once you find the Experience section, hover your cursor over it and you'll see a little plus sign or an add symbol. Go ahead and click on this. Now you're ready to add your internship position. Click on Add Position. A window will pop up with fields to fill out your details. Be as thorough as possible. Enter the title of your position, the company name, location, and time period. There's even space for descriptions, so make sure to add in all the relevant skills and responsibilities you handled during your internship. Once you've filled out all the fields, review everything to ensure there are no errors and everything looks perfect. Then, click Save to update your profile. Congratulations! You've successfully added your internship to LinkedIn, making your profile even more compelling to potential recruiters and connections. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and don't hesitate to dive into your profile and make the most of it.